Oh, we're doing it now. Okay. Hi, I'm Tiffany McCall and welcome to SugarX. Today we're going to be making hand-decorated sugar cookies. So I'm going to go for the butter first. So I'm just going to put this inside and then I'm going to go for the sugar. And then we are going to put this in the mixer and we're going to cream it until it's light and fluffy. And I'm going to scrape the sides with this spatula. You get a good workout doing this too. Now that it's flooded, you get air bubbles in your icing, and I'm just going through and I'm kind of just popping them and letting it settle back into itself. This is royal icing. So royal icing uses meringue powder, which gives it that nice fluffy texture and helps it to set up hard after it dries.